all strive to be in control, to save money when we can, and to make smart choices. So why do we pay so much for wireless service? Tracfone Wireless gives you complete control over your wireless plan.
Because I just want to pay for what I need.
Hey, Mom.
Now get and text plus unlimited carryover data starting at just a month. With Tracfone, you can stop expensive wireless bills and monthly surprises.
There are no activation or cancellation fees and no overages. So I get the dependable cell phone service I need at the right price.
Find out why millions of customers have trusted Tracfone contract wireless service.
No, it's just great value without a commitment. And that's why I count on Tracfone to keep me connected for less.
Each plan comes with unlimited carryover data that will not expire with active service.
So I can keep all the talk, text, and data I pay for. You can also add data onto my plan at any time.
Tracfone gives you nationwide coverage on America's largest, most dependable 4G LTE networks. And Tracfone offers high-quality phones from top brands, including great smartphones from LG, Samsung, and Apple.
Bye. Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye, sweetheart. If you love your current smartphone, keep it. Tracfone not only lets you keep the phone you love, but lets you keep your number and network, which means major savings. This is your wake-up call. Stop paying for unlimited data plans you need and take back control of your wireless service. Tracfone Wireless. Now you're in control.